Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes at home step by step. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F, line a 12-cup muffin tin, and cream 1/2 cup butter with 1 cup sugar. Beat in 2 eggs, then alternate adding 2 cups flour and 1 cup milk. Stir in 1 tsp vanilla and a pinch of salt. Fill cups 2/3 full, bake 18 to 22 minutes, and cool before frosting. We will make a smooth batter using simple technique and everyday tools. Cream 1/2 cup butter with 1 cup sugar until fluffy, then add 2 eggs one at a time. Sift and combine 2 cups flour with 1 tsp baking powder and a pinch of salt. Alternate adding the dry mix with 1 cup milk in 3 additions. Fold gently to avoid overmixing and keep the batter airy for tender cupcakes. Now you will bake and finish the cupcakes with simple frosting ideas for any skill level. Spoon batter into cups 2/3 full and tap the tin to release air bubbles. Bake at 350 degrees F for 18 to 22 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean, then cool on a wire rack. For frosting, beat 1/2 cup butter with 2 cups powdered sugar and 1 tsp vanilla until smooth, then spread or pipe on a cooled cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.